It looks like I might have found a few goodies at Bealls today. And they're right there. Let's see. Sweatshirt. Looks like a rug. Well, I might have to sit y'all down. I bought this new magnet thing. And I found this little thing. It's cute. I don't know if there's anything else worth taking. Maybe that. Okay, that's good. Last time we were here, we found like a lot of snacks, I think. So already there's one of these fidget toys on the ground. Take that. It's broken. It's loaded. It's a lip gloss. Went with it. Okay. Broken Nutella. No-tella. I kind of need a box. I need to ship something back because I was actually hoping to find a box here. This was one of my regular stops, but whew, they got crazy. But look at all that's back there. That's crazy. All that inventory. Yeah. Locked away. Okay, we're at Dollar General. Last time we were here, we found underwear and some lemon candy. Oh my goodness. Okay. There's some goodies here right on the top shelf. Medicine. Cat food has been ripped open. So, whoopsie. Start pulling it in the box. Rubbing alcohol. This is my toothpaste, y'all. Okay, so that's awesome. I'm gonna turn my car off. Let's see, more toothpaste. Oh my gosh, I found a bunch of that candy last week. Allergy medicine, Blistex. drinks. Take that. Red licorice. Red licorice. Kit Kats are melted, so I'm not going to take those. Let's see. Reese's still okay. Bug spray. Whoa. Holy bug spray, y'all. The Rolos feel okay. More cereal. The bug spray is definitely a two-hand situation. Wowzers. I hope y'all saw that. That is broken. Medicine. Ooh. Noodle sauce. Robitussin. Any of that pizza sauce because there's broken glass in that. Smells delicious. These feel okay. These feel okay. Just that one bag is kind of milky. Oh, that good. I'm so excited. I got these rugs from Bealls and I love them. Love them. So many good things. Okay, happy Wednesday, everybody. Happy Wednesday, everybody. Welcome back to Dumpster Darling. I have been out checking some dumpsters and it's been raining, so look at this crazy hair. So I'm gonna show you what I found. I'm so excited. Okay, so the very last dumpster I went to was a Dollar General, and actually went to 2 in a row. I got these Kool-Aid drinks. There's one broken. This whole case of ant and roach killer. Holy cow. Robitussin, some alcohol spray, Blistex, allergy medicine, cold and flu medicine, allergy medicine. I take this every day. This toothpaste, that's what I use. And it's so expensive. These red licorices, Reese Pieces, an air freshener, Reese cups. The backs are a little bit gross. I need to wipe them off yet. I have not done that. Kit Kats, Rolos. I originally thought those Kit Kats were kind of melted together, but they turned out to be feeling okay when I checked them again. I went to Five Below. Did not get too much. I got this little toy and these 3 little lip glosses. Went to Dollar Tree. I got a body wash, a cup, a rag. It is raining, so that is wet. A pair of sunglasses, this cute little drink, camera, and a travel mirror. But the most exciting dumpster of all was literally my first one, and it was the Bealls department store. I got these gorgeous runners, retail for $30 a piece. And my house is kind of coastal themed, so I could potentially keep those and use them. I got these glass bottles. 2 of them were broken, so I just took out the broken ones and put them in the trash. These would be good for, like, if you're juicing something and storing them in there. these wicked sweatpants, super duper cute. I did not know it when I took them. They have a tear in the back, and I can sew that, but I just don't know that they're gonna fit or lay the right way, but I will try and fix them and see. That dumpster also had some cutie pie sunglasses, a hair clip. This was part of a set. The other ones were broken. This teacher appreciation set. The mug is broken, but the paper and the pen and the notepad are totally usable. And then this super cute cutting board. It is a little uneven, but I think that's totally fine. It's so heavy duty. I love it. But my favorite of all is these rugs. Again, I don't know if I'll use them in my home, but they totally could go with them. It's just a matter of, do we really need them? Do we want to use them or not? But I love them. And if we don't keep them, they're going to be a fantastic donation. Thanks for watching.